Hey people, so we are at this place called Suruguru. Ayush, how do you find the food here? Yeah, this place called Suruguru is very close to the very close to ashram, and it's pretty reasonable, as you can see. It's not thing. So anyone looking to come, okay, I just got my order. This is parotha with thing. So wow, I always look to make at least a 1 minute long video. Ayush, what was your order called?
Onion dosa.
Onion dosa. Okay, so I'll also take a taste of this. Anviko, I wonder if I can include you in my video. Okay, so Anviko, really? So what is your order called, Anviko?
Mine is called ghee masala roast.
Okay, ghee masala roast. And the nice thing is they give such a whole variety, like probably how we have it in chutneys. They give you an individual little cup of chutney here. You know, this is, I think, is this sweet? What is this? No, it's not, but it's so sweet. This is a place that you all should visit if you all are in Pondicherry. It's called Suruguru, and it's an amazing South Indian thali place. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.
My mom made a paper in this